If you want to change a theme on Redmi 15, then all you have to do is simply go to the Themes app that you can find by default in the home screen over here, or in the app drawer somewhere. So let's open Themes. After that, you should be able to immediately go to Themes here, and you can try to find your favorite theme that you wish to use on your smartphone. You can of course also use one of these options. So for example, we can go to top over here in order to try to find the most popular content. And let's say we're gonna choose this one over here. And we can now press download in order to use the theme, well, to get the theme. We can also go to customize in order to make sure that everything is selected. We can also uncheck these options if you don't want to change something. We can press apply in order to use it. You might see compatibility issues, but you can just press got it in order to try to use them anyway. Now let's wait. And once it is done, you can go back to the home screen in order to see how your home screen now looks like. And this is mine right now. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.